Сәлем достар! Бүгін сіздермен бізде өте қызықты сабақ болады, өйткені біз сіздермен бүгін практикалық сабақ өткіземіз, яғни сіздермен көреміз, тыңдаймыз, түсінеміз және аударамыз. Сонымен кеттік. Достар, қазір сіздермен бір-екі бейнеролик көрейік. Бұл бейнероликтерді сіздер түсіну қажетсіздер және де не айтылып жатқанын дәптерге түсіріп, түсінгенше және де олардың аудармасын маған кейіннен телеграмға жібересіздер. Сонымен көрейік.
What do you do?
I'm a gardener.
How many hours a week do you work?
About 20-30 hours a week. It's an easy job.
Do you have a big family?
I have the 5 people in my family. I have one brother and one sister and my parents.
How old are your brother and sister?
My brother is 20 and my sister is 16.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I usually get up at about 7 o'clock in the morning.
What about at weekends?
At the weekend it's a bit later. I usually get up at about 10 o'clock.
How often do you do sport or exercise?
Almost every day.
What do you do?
I run and play football.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you have a pet?
I do. I have a cat.
Достар, енді мына тапсырманы орындап көріңіздер. Can істей алу, can't істей алмау. I can dance, мен билей аламын. I can't swim. Can you play piano?
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't play a musical instrument.
Can you play a musical instrument?
I can play the guitar, not very well, but I can play the guitar.
Do you have noisy neighbours?
No, I'm the noisy neighbor.
What do you do?
Play music really loud.
What's your favourite month of the year?
The month of May,
Why?
because all the flowers are coming out and it's not hot, but it's nice weather and it feels fresh.
What kind of music do you like?
I like all kinds of music. I like rock, jazz, dance music, and I also like some classical as well.
What kind of music don't you like?
I'm not a big fan of heavy metal.
Do you have a favourite band or singer?
Yes, my favourite singer is probably someone like David Bowie.
What kind of books do you like?
Usually science fiction or fantasy novels.
What are you reading at the moment?
I'm reading a trilogy about some trolls.
Достар, мынау диалогтарды түсіне аласыздар ма?
Hi, my name's Rob Walker. I live here in London. I work in London and I write about London. I work for a magazine called London 24/7. I write about life in London, the people, the theatre, the restaurants. It's fun. I love London. It's a great city.
Hi, my name's Jenny Zielinski. I'm from New York, the #1 city in the world. I'm the assistant editor of a magazine, New York 24/7.
Really? Okay. It was really funny because
I'm the new assistant editor.
nuts, and she was talking about how cashews are her favorite nuts, and she calls them George Clooney's.
But this week, I'm on a business trip to London. This is my first time in the UK. It's very exciting.
Good evening, madam.
Hello, I have a reservation. My name's Jennifer Zielinski.
Can you spell that, please?
Zielinski.
For 5 nights.
Yes, that's right.
Can I have your passport, please?
Just a second. Here you are.
Thank you. Can you sign here, please? Thank you. Here's your key. It's room 306 on the 3rd floor. The lift is over there.
The lift. Oh, the elevator.
Yes. Enjoy your stay, Miss Zielinski.
Thank you. Hello, I have a reservation. My name's Jennifer Zielinski.
Can you spell that, please?
Zielinski.
For 5 nights.
Yes, that's right.
Can I have your passport, please?
Just a second. Here you are.
Thank you. Can you sign here, please? Thank you. Here's your key. It's room 306 on the 3rd floor. The lift is over there.
The lift. Oh, the elevator.
Yes. Enjoy your stay, Miss Zielinski.
Thank you.
Достар, бүгінге сабағымыз осымен бітті. Сіздерге ұнады деп ойлаймын. Барлық фразаларды, сөйлемдердің барлығын дәптерге түсіріп үлгердіңіздер деп ойлаймын. Түсінбесеңіздер, тағы көріңіздер, мұқият тыңдаңыздар, дауысын шығарып тыңдаңыздар, наушникпен көріңіздер, түсініңіздер. Okay, see you next lesson. Goodbye.